Okay, I like to think of this as part 2 of writing equations. When you're given 2 points, you need to find the slope between them first. So we're going to use the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1, so plus 12, 3 minus a negative 12, over 4 minus a negative 8. I know that minus a negative 8 is going to be plus 8. So 3 plus 12 is 15, 4 plus 8 is 12, and then that reduces, because 3 goes into both of those, 5/4. 3 goes in there 4 times, 3 goes in there 5 times. So my slope is 5/4. Now it doesn't matter which point I use. If I use 4, 3, just because it's less negatives, y minus 3 is equal to 5/4 times x minus 4. So y minus 3 is 5/4 x, minus 5. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Then add 3 to both sides, and you end up with y equals 5/4 x minus 2. So on this one, when I go to find the slope, I have m equals negative 2 minus 1 over 1 minus 4. So I have a negative 3 on top and a negative 3 on the bottom. So I have a positive 1 for my slope. So I have y minus 1 if I use the 0.41. Doesn't matter which point you use. So if I do y minus 1 equals 1 times x minus 4, so y minus 1 is equal to x minus 4. Add 1 to both sides, and y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, now we'll work with some parallel and perpendicular lines. So if it's parallel to this equation, then I want to use the same slope. So I'm going to use m is equal to negative 10, and then I'm going to cross this off because I don't want to use anything else from that equation. I don't want to use the 4. I'm done with that equation. So now I'm going to use this point. So y plus 5, because it's minus a negative 5, is equal to negative 10 times x minus 1. So y plus 5 is equal to negative 10x plus 10, because I have minus a negative. So then subtract 5 from both sides, and you have y equal to negative 10x plus 5. Okay? Now to do a perpendicular one, if the slope is negative 4/3, then I'm going to use positive 3/4. And I'm going to cross that off. I don't want to use anything else from that equation. So y minus 5 is equal to positive 3/4 times x minus 4. So y minus 5 is 3/4 x minus 3, because 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides and have y equal to 3/4 x plus 2. So that's what I get when I make an equation of a line that's perpendicular to this line and goes through that point.